Hello everyone and welcome in the another episode of DIY Master, and in this video we are going to show you how you can replace the bearing of any motor, AC motor. This is actually a motor of cooler, and you can see this the shaft is jammed. Actually the problem is the bearing is already out of service, not working properly. So in this video we are going to replace the bearing of this motor. As you can see, we have already dismantled the rear cover as well as the wiring. So the wiring is okay, so that's the reason why in this video we are going to show you the best method which you can also apply when you encounter this sort of problem in your any motor. So let's get started. So guys, these we have bearings, and you can see actually the bearing comes with a unique code. So as we open this motor, I will show you the bearing code so that you can get the replacement from any bearing store. Apart from this, we need oil can, few basic tools like plier, spanner, screwdriver, and a grease oil, a bearing grease. So the first thing, we need to open this another cover. Actually we have already opened this back cover, but we have two more you can say packing. So we need to open these 4 shaft screw, and then we may able to see the bearing code. So let's open this. So guys, we have opened that front and rear cover. Now you can see one bearing is already removed during the opening of cover, and the another is still jammed. So we need to open that too. Now guys, both the bearing are removed. You can see this bearing is jammed, and this bearing is actually this bearing is free, but it has got some space, the gap. So let's see how we can fix it. टूट ना जाए. So guys, if you don't have any sort of puller, bearing puller, so you can make this sort of temporary adjustment. In this adjustment, you can see we have two 10 mm nut bolt and one in a center. So as we tied both the side nut bolt, this bearing will automatically come out. You can see we have already done few things, little things. So let's remove the entire bearing. So guys, these are the new bearing, you can see, and the number of the bearing is, you can see the number 6202 RS. So we have both the bearing, and we have already removed the old bearing. Now we will punch these two bearing into the rotor shaft. Now we will fill the grease, so that's the reason why we are removing the collar, one side collar of the bearing. So friends, we have completed the punching of bearing. Now let's fix this into the main casing. So guys, as you can see, we have already do the most of the things, like we have already varnished the winding actually, since the wiring was okay. This is the oil can. We usually we must lubricate this bearing. Guys, we have completed the most of the part of changing the bearing of a AC motor. Now we are connecting the capacitor wire and going to test. As you can see, the one red wire and one black wire will be connected with the capacitor, and the common wire will be separate. Finally, we are ready to test the motor. The connection is okay, as we have already checked with the series connection. Now we are putting the wire with the main line. You can see that the motor is spinning. I hope guys this video will help you to understand how you can change the bearing at your own garage. Thank you very much for watching us.